Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I've had this message a few times, this comment a few times. I had it today too, and sometimes it has to do with the fact that your PC updates to a new version of Windows 11. So for example, one of the comments today is, I'm on 23H2, I got the Patch Tuesday updates for security on the computer, in December, and a week later my PC updated to 24H2, but I'm looking at, the security update for December for 24H2, and I don't see them, so I'm wondering if, they've installed or not. So one of the first things I would like to say is, if you wonder if you're missing updates, the best thing to do is to search for what is the latest version of Windows 11. What's its build number? And once you're there, just go and type the WinVer command. Once you know your latest build number, and once you match it with what comes up in the Windows version build, you will know that you're at the last or the latest version. So it's easy. You can go to Twitter and check Windows updates, for example, or you simply look at Patch Tuesday updates for Windows 11. You'll see tons of articles. Most of them mention what version we are at on the PC. So since this video is general and will be seen by people like next month or 2 months or 3 months from now, I don't want to put a build number because then people will be mixed up as what's the real build number. Simply search for what build number we are at, and then match it with your WinVer command to see if it matches. That is the true number. This is what will tell you, oh, I am up to date because I have the latest build installed. The other thing is, well, yes, when you get through Windows updates or in any way a new version, so if you were on 23H2 and you got 24H2 and installed, it always installs all the latest updates too. So that means there's nothing that will be missing. But because it upgraded to 24H2, all the individual updates that are within are not shown separately. Because when you go to your Windows updates and you go to the update history, you'll see the individual updates. You'll see the Patch Tuesday updates for December, November, and so on. But yet, when we go to a new version, completely new version, even if you'd be missing several updates, say you didn't use your PC for 6 months, you'd be missing out on 6 months of patches. But say your PC looked on the internet and decided, oh, I'm upgrading to 24H2. What it would do then is go to 24H2, install it, and at the restart, that 24H2 would already contain the 6 months of patches that were missing before on 23H2. So you won't see that because they won't show up individually. It's going to tell you is, oh, you've got new feature update 24H2 that installed on this date. So don't worry about it. When a new feature update installs, you're automatically pushed to the latest update, even if you don't see the individual, Patch Tuesday KB number for the catalog number. And like I said, WinVer Windows version is the best way to know when you're up to date to the latest version. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.